Hey everyone, welcome back to on Sam Tech YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, I'm super excited because this video is sponsored by ELEHEAR, and they've sent me their brand new product, the ELEHEAR Beyond. Trust me, this is something you don't want to miss. Meet the ELEHEAR Beyond, a cutting-edge device designed to elevate your audio experience to the next level. Whether you're a gamer, music lover, or podcaster, this is engineered to impress. So let's dive in and see what makes the ELEHEAR Beyond so special. First, let's talk design. The ELEHEAR Beyond boasts a sleek and modern design, lightweight but sturdy, perfect for both home and on-the-go use. The intuitive controls and premium build quality scream innovation and usability. Now let's move on to the features, because this is where the ELEHEAR Beyond really shines. Unparalleled sound. Quality experience crystal clear audio with deep bass and crisp highs, perfect for any audio enthusiast. Advanced noise cancellation. Immerse yourself in pure sound, free from distractions. Extended battery life.
Enjoy up to 20 hours of playback on a single charge.
Perfect for long sessions. Seamless connectivity with Bluetooth 5.3. It ensures a stable connection and low-latent world's first hearing aid with real-time AI translation. Breaking through the limitations of traditional hearing aids, ELEHEAR Beyond redefines its role by offering innovative features that go beyond clear listening. With real-time AI translation capabilities, it allows seamless global communication, transcending language barriers and enabling a world of connection. ELEHEAR Beyond not only helps users hear but empowers them to explore the world without limitations, making it an indispensable smart assistant in their lives. AI-powered speech clarity. VOClear. VOClear technology analyzes environmental sounds 500 times per second and executes 450 million operations per second to deliver the clearest speech and significantly enhance intelligibility, with a 17% improvement in speech clarity in noisy environments. Deep neural network. Hybrid feedback cancellation. AI noise cancellation, -24 decibels. Whine noise management, phone call. Speech enhancement. Most powerful app with Bluetooth streaming, support iOS and Android. Customize your hearing solution with the ELEHEAR app. We believe your hearing solution should be as unique as you are. That's why the ELEHEAR Beyond app enables you to customize the sound to your precise needs. Adjust volume, fine-tune frequencies. Create a personalized profile user-customized compensation. ELEHEAR Beyond offers a distinctive feature that caters to individual needs. You can adjust the gain levels to fit your unique hearing situations. This technology adjusts amplification levels in real time, ensuring optimal sound clarity in any environment. All-day battery life. ELEHEAR Beyond offers up to 20 hours of use on a single charge. A quick 15-minute charge in the charging case provides 6 hours of additional battery life. This slim, portable case offers a built-in battery for 4 extra charges when you're on the go. 20 hours. Runtime on a single charge. 15-minute charge for 6-hour usage. 100 hours. Total runtime, 4. Extra full charges. Deep neural network, hybrid feedback cancellation. Uses advanced smart technology to automatically eliminate annoying feedback, providing a clear and natural listening experience.